In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Chinese display name in Roblox. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open roblox.com on your browser. Now in here, go ahead and sign in into your Roblox account. Once you're signed in into your Roblox account, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. And under this, you'll be able to find the settings button, which will take you to the settings page of Roblox. On your settings page, go ahead and head over to account info. On your account info, make sure that your age is above 18 years old and your account location permits you to use Chinese characters for your display name. Now, once you have this finalized, go ahead and head over to google.com and search for English to Chinese translator. Now in here, go ahead and enter the English text that you want to convert into a Chinese text. Once you have entered the text in this section, you can find the translated version under the Chinese section. Go ahead and click on the copy icon and head back to your settings. And here, go ahead and click on the pencil icon beside your display name and paste the Chinese characters that you've copied in this section and click on the save button to save the changes. Now once you reload your profile, this Chinese characters will appear as your display name on your Roblox profile. And that is how you can simply change your Roblox display name into a Chinese display name.